If nobody's asking, I have one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So, this reporting we do on the OLAP, right? We have data modeling concept, OLTP and OLAP.
Okay.
So, reporting are done on OLAP, which is having historical data and everything. But when we are doing a reporting on cricket, you can take the example of cricket, or maybe regarding the current project situation, like any of new project is coming and what is the revenue is generating, and we have a live connection there. We are not having the extract live. So if we have the live connection, that means that the data is current, right? So I can also say that I'm creating a report on the OLTP also.
It doesn't matter whether you are creating from OL. See, first thing is when it is OLAP, right? Then you need not have a live connection. My understanding, because that is everything is historical data and it is not going to change.
Okay.
Right? Because if you have a store and your OLAP contains data till last month, right? At any given point of time, it is having data till last month. Today there is no sale that is going to happen in the last month, right? So you take a live connection or you take an extract, it is not going to affect. But in a way, extract is much better because live connection again has its performance issues and all. Now, if it is OLTP, yes, then live connection in some cases it matters. Now, just like a cricket score, right? If I want to have a stats of matches that are completed, I can take the stats, I can take an extract and I can do my work. But when it is coming to the current match, ball by ball or minute by minute, there should be a update in your dashboard, then it is the live connection. But again, is it advisable or it is correct to, what do you say, bring all OLTPs into live connection? No, that doesn't again matter, because for me, if I'm my store, I'm not interested in minute by minute, right? Even if my sales are happening, I might be interested in getting fresh data till the last hour, till the last day, till the last week, depending on my situation. Then again, I can go for an extract, so that my extract will refresh in any every hour, or in every day, or once in every day, once in every hour, once in every week, depending on your situation. So rather talking about, like, it makes sense talking concept of OLAP and OLTP, but in my concept, what data are you looking at? Is it the data that you're looking is as and when fresh, just like in a cricket score? If there is a six there, that should get depicted in your total score. Right? In such cases, yes, you need to go for a live connection. Else, I always suggest go for an extra. Okay.
Okay. So basically, like reporting can be done on OLTP and OLAP both.
Yeah, and nowadays, but yeah, in companies, yeah, no, in a way, okay, I'm bringing here, but yeah, OLTP is mostly used. Now, whatever I'm working till date, I used only OLTP. OLAP I didn't, but yeah, people working on data warehouses, they'll be using OLAP. So it doesn't matter whatever it is, because end of the day, when the data comes into yours, see, when you are a Tableau developer, actually you're not concerned whether it is OLAP or OLTP, you're concerned about what is your data, what is the freshness of the data, and how frequent you want the fresh data. Based on that, you'll decide whether to go for a live connection or an extra. Okay?
Right. Got it.